BJP versus Congress. Clash over inheritance tax proposal. BJP lashes out on Pitroda's inheritance tax speech. Pitroda's comment exposed Congress agenda, says Home Minister Shah. No intention of inheritance tax, says Mallika Arjun Kharge. Bharatiya Janata Party leaders have sharply rebuked Sam Pitroda, the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress, for his advocacy of an inheritance tax law in India. Pitroda's remarks on wealth redistribution through taxation drew significant attention and criticism from BJP officials, who accused him of reflecting the Congress party's intelligence strategies. The controversy ensued after Pitroda cited the American inheritance law, which imposes a tax on a portion of wealth passed down to heirs, contrasting it to India's absence of such taxation. According to Pitroda, under the American system, heirs receive only 45% of the deceased's assets, while the remaining 55% is claimed by the government. This statement sparked a heated debate on wealth distribution and taxation policies in India.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. And law says, you get half of it. Public gets half of it. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah condemned Pitroda's comments, alleging that they exposed the Congress party's agenda for wealth redistribution. Shah emphasized the need to take Pitroda's remarks seriously, suggesting that they reflect broader intentions within the Congress.
कांग्रेस पार्टी सैम पित्रोड़ा के बयान के बाद कंप्लीटली एक्सपोज हो गई है। सबसे पहले घोषणा पत्र में सर्वे, मनमोहन सिंह का पुराना बयान जो कांग्रेस की लेगेसी है कि हम देश के संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटीज का मानते हैं, और अब इनके मैनिफेस्टो बनाने में जिनकी अहम भूमिका है वो साम पित्रोड़ा का बयान कि संपत्ति के बंटवारे पर विचार होना चाहिए। अमेरिका का हवाला देते हुए इन्होंने कहा कि 55% संपत्ति सरकारी खजाने में जाती है। अब जब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये मुद्दा उठाया, राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी और पूरी कांग्रेस बैकफुट पर आई कि हमारा मकसद ये नहीं है। परंतु आज साम पित्रोड़ा जी के बयान ने कांग्रेस का मकसद देश के सामने स्पष्ट कर दिया है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also cautioned against Congress' proposal to impose an inheritance tax, condemning it as a measure that would deprive individuals of passing on their hard-earned wealth to their children. Modi criticized the idea, asserting that it would hinder wealth transfer and burden the middle class with additional taxes.
कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी। माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा। यानी कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट। कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी। जब तक आप जीवित रहेंगे कांग्रेस आपको ज्यादा टैक्स से मारेगी और जब आप जीवित नहीं रहेंगे तो आप पर इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स का बोझ लाद देगी।
However, Congress swiftly distanced itself from Pitroda's stance, which party president Mallikarjun Kharge asserting that there are no plans within Congress to implement an inheritance tax.
How can there is a constitution and constitution never allows to do this, and we don't have any intention. Why you are putting his ideas in our mouth? Why you are propagating? He is just for votes. He is playing all this game. You take it from me, and you should also realize.
Meanwhile, Karnataka Congress Minister Priyank Kharge said that his comment is misunderstood and that he may have been talking about the importance of wealth distribution.
No, I think what Mr. Sam Pitroda is trying to say is that the wealth of the distribution of wealth should be equitable, and the current regime is more concerned about concentrating wealth in a couple of industrialists' hand, whereas we are concerned about distributing wealth to the marginalized people of the society, irrespective of their caste or community. The idea is to empower people at the bottom of the pyramid to ensure that we have a equitable society, both socially and economically, and that's what we have stated in our manifesto as well.
This controversy adds fuel to the ongoing political discourse, particularly as Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP criticize the Congress manifesto for alleged appeasement politics and proposal for wealth redistribution. Despite Pitroda's suggestion, India currently does not have an inheritance tax, as the inheritance or estate tax was abolished in 1985. News Desk reports such the reality.